Let's have a quick look at the launch trailer. So generating assets like that, you can use that a lot. Other than that, there isn't much, except the music was really cool. But what I can tell you is that most of these features are really useful. If you have worked with AI agents in the past, it actually involves a lot of work than it looks on the surface. But once you get used to that and everything that involves in Unity, at least it's going to be very useful. Check out video from this guy. He has really created very informative video about the topic. While he is mostly optimistic, there are also those who tested the platform and their initial findings were not as great. But his video will give you a good idea of possibilities, features and use cases from another creator.
Alright, folks, this is the moments that game developers are waiting for.
He is actually right about this because introduction of AI means saving time when there are things that you would rather have AI do for you.
Something big just happened in game development universe, and most people are underestimating it. Unity Technologies introduced a powerful AI system directly inside Unity, and it's starting to change how games are created, and more like having a developer sitting next to you, constantly helping, constantly adjusting to what you're doing. Then comes the content generation, and this is where things start moving fast. Instead of spending hours searching for assets or creating them from scratch, you can describe what you want and get usable results.
Again, this is overhyped, at least not currently it is in that condition or that capacity. That in seconds kind of hype is that's overrated. I've seen videos from some other guys actually who has tested it, and his experience was not really good because camera controller movements, it was really literally taking him time just to figure that out. Simulate camera controller movement as smoothly as with the help of AI. It should have been easier, but it wasn't. The agentic experience will improve, but it is not just there yet. Reception, it didn't really go well. There are there's a lot of flashback, and of course, some of those comments are coming from experience and testing, especially the price tag that this feature is wearing. It is really costly for that kind of price, for that kind of feature. It just doesn't fit. And if you're thinking about asking GPT, I already did it for you, so all you have to do is just pause the screen and read it out. So yeah, it understands your project context, scene, asset scripts. Inside Unity, now Claude is integrated. So as far as coding is concerned, Claude has better edge, and uh, Claude Claude is really good at coding. But when we are talking about nativity, Unity's AI has the edge, right? It can look into your scene, understand your scene. It's built in. It can look around with more access compared to Claude. Asset generation. I think asset generation is the most important part of this entire Unity AI integration. Let's clear out ambiguity here. Centis, which is runtime AI engine, it is responsible for NPC decision and stuff that's happening during gameplay. However, Unity AI is editor based. It's your editing partner. You must know the difference between these two. Here we are looking at additional capabilities of the AI, right? Context awareness, as discussed before, code generation, optimization, that's going to be helpful. Project aware reasoning, curated model systems, data control. Now, this is the cream of the discussion. It cannot automate your game. In a recent claim, Unity AI CEO claimed that it will be able to make games like GTA 6 even. That's not a possibility right now.